everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Camaro, and I'm telling you guys, this thing is nice. Slick paint, very nicely done restoration. Car's out of North Carolina. It was a complete body up restoration done 7 years ago, and it looks like it was done yesterday. They did a great job on this car. Factory color is Ascot blue. I think this might be a little shade darker than that. I could be wrong. I'm sure somebody will let me know, but that's the original color for the car. They added the black Z stripes in the Z28 trim. It is not an original Z28. Other than a couple, you can see a couple little stone pecks when you walk around it. Not much to really pick, and it drove great. They've added a little horsepower underneath the hood, and little hotter cam. The car runs great. I think they put a little gear to it too. It's probably got about a 355 rear gear in it. Dual sport mirrors. Factory black interior. Nice car though. I mean, really nice car. Factory front and rear spoilers. I think I said that. The car's out of North Carolina, restored 7 years ago. That car is slick. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with the factory 15-inch rallies. I mean, that is a great looking second gen Camaro right there. It is it's 350 Chevy small block underneath the hood here. It's got a Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. They have stepped up the cam a little bit. Still runs on pump gas, everything like that. Car's got headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and factory air. Air does blow cold. 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's got an Accel HEI super coil in it. Of course, a chrome air cleaner and valve covers. With this breeze, it may just leave it open, Nathan. I'll lift it. Just gonna keep slamming down. We're racing the weather here. We've had rain for a couple days, and more to come. Look how pretty the paint is. Really slick paint on the car. Yeah, you want a nice second gen, man. This car is going to be tough to beat. I mean, really slick paint. Stripes are done nice. Dual sport mirrors. This is a remote mirror. Looks like the factory door handles on it. You can see how nice the door seams are. New sill plates, new carpet. They redid the interior, factory bucket seats, center console. Headliner looks great. It's got the sports steering wheel. Yeah, 90,539. That's actually the original miles on the car. They sent the gauges out and had them done in that Phantom, the white, so they show up a little better than the factories. Look how nice the dash pad is. It's got an aftermarket Sony sound system in it that works. H-pipe Flowmaster exhaust system on it with, it's got the stainless Z28 tips. And just like it should be, all spackle coated. I mean, this car is nice. Like I say, a real quality restoration. Everything opens and closes real nice. Bottom of this car is beautiful. It's all satin black. I mean, they did a great job on this car. If I can do this with my one hand here. I don't know if I can do it. I can't do it, guys. But you can see the back seat's nice. Seats have definitely been all redone. Original owner's manual's in the glove box there. And it hit the road great. I mean, it drove out awesome. I can tell they've changed the gear because the speedo's a little off. We're gonna have to get the right speedo gear out. Again, nice little cam to it. Air blows cold. This car's bad, man. It's fun to drive. That car is nice. Little sweetheart right there, guys. Tach works. I don't think the clock works. Speedo and everything works. Fuel gauge works. Yeah, everything opens and closes nice. Good sound. That is a good car.
Saturday, 10 to 2 at the
radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.